Your surprise is in this envelope. What do you guys think it is? Huh? What do you think's in this envelope?
I don't know.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Should we let Sissy open it? Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is? It's Logan? Can anybody guess what that is?
Logan. Baby.
It's a picture of Logan? Whose baby?
Yours.
Do you guys want a baby brother or sister?
Yeah.
You want to have one?
Yeah. I want a baby Connor.
You want a baby Connor? That's in Mommy's belly. That's why you can't jump on me. And I can't hold you.
Give it to me.
Let Sissy see it.
Give it. Give it.
Hey,
What does Frosty see?
Sissy wants to see it again. Can you show her?
Show it here.
Do you think it's a baby brother or a baby sister?
I think baby sister.
Everybody wants a baby sister?
Yeah, me too.
What if it's a baby brother?
I don't want it.
Oh.
I want a baby brother. I don't want another brother. Where's our present?
Where's our present? That is your present. You gotta wait a long time for it though. Did I trick you?
No, you didn't, Berta. No, you didn't, Berta.
Can Sissy have it so she can see it? Be nice to my picture, that's all I got. Hey.
That's your new baby brother or sister.
Mom, what did you
Ah!
go for?
Give me that.
What did you go for?
Huh? That's why I went to the doctor.
Why didn't I say you were a girl?
Because it's too little still. We have to wait a couple weeks.
Stop it.
It's smaller than your finger right now.
It's about the size of a grape. Logan,